Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do let me know when you leave comments. It actually, makes me happy that people are watching the cards, watching the videos, and their day is going really good. So let's see what is there in the cards today. Okay, now that is Curricula. It's a beautiful card which has come, the Curricula. When you see this card, do you feel a beautiful pulsating feel, like as if the goddess is just telling you ki I have come to bless you today and plan your day to go really beautiful? Just look into her, look at the third eye, okay, and look into her. It's as if she is like, I am there to get you what you want today. So I feel today she is going to be with you and she is going to get you whatever you need, and I feel that she's going to give you a lot of clarity today. She's going to give you a lot of opportunities today. So if there's an opportunity coming your way, then please take it, because they say opportunity knocks only once. So it would be really good if you see what opportunity it is coming, because she is the goddess of magnetism and attraction. So she will automatically attract things. Look at her, okay, look at her, and just keep your hand in your heart. If possible, keep both your hand in your heart when you're just looking at her right now. I'm just giving you a couple of seconds to look at her and keep your hand in the heart, okay, and you will chant this mantra 21 times looking at her, keeping your hand in your heart. Om Kurukule Hrisoham Om Tare Tam Swaha. I repeat, Om Kurukule Hrisoham Om Tare Tam Swaha. Do this 21 times. Today wear the color yellow, and if possible offer her some yellow fruit today in the morning. Offer her some yellow flowers in the morning when you're chanting this mantra 21 times, and tell her, I am ready to be attracted. I am ready to take up whatever you are attracting and sending towards me. I am ready to take the blessings which you are sending towards me. Also in the morning when you're doing this mantra, burn a ghee ka diya, ghee ka lamp, a ghee lamp in front of her when you're chanting the mantra. And also today donate 100 rupees to someone needy. At least 100 rupees. If you want to donate, you can donate more, but at least 100 rupees you need to donate, so that Kalima and the Kurukula Devi is blessing you with loads and loads of abundance and clearing your pathways. But as I said, the money has to go to a person whom you know is needy, and just not for the sake of giving it to someone. Hope you all have a blessed and a beautiful day. Thank you.